Hey there VCE HHD students, my name's Andy, I'm a VCE Health and Human Development teacher. In this short video we're going to look at answering the 2018 VCE HHD exam, question number 9. Before we jump into question number 9, just a reminder, over at the Health Resources Hub YouTube channel there's a new video like this one coming out each day between now and the HHD exam at the end of the year, so please head on over to subscribe to get access to all of those and also tell your friends to do so too. I'm running the ACE HHD exam preparation sessions at the end of this year, and you can book a spot to those at book.acedvce.com at the moment. You can see our social media links if you'd like to follow us and get alerts to the new videos coming out each day, and also our email if you've got any questions or suggestions for videos you'd like me to work on. So you can see here the question number 9 from the 2018 exam was worth 4 marks, and the first question was asking you to explain the term discrimination. So always for 2-mark questions I'd say to my students, try to make 2 clear points. So for this one here, you could talk about discrimination was referring to unjust or unfair treatment, okay? Or you could also mention the violation of rights of an individual. And then you would mention probably something along the lines of due to factors such as things like ethnicity, religion, gender, race, sexual orientation. So just giving some examples of factors that might contribute to people experiencing that unfair or unjust treatment. Then over at question number B, you can see here was asking you to explain how discrimination might contribute to differences in health status and burden of disease. And so for a question like this, I'd make sure you focus on a specific example of discrimination. So you might start by saying females might be discriminated against compared to males and given less access to education. Therefore, they might have less knowledge, okay, on the risks of falling pregnant at a young age, and that might contribute to high maternal mortality rates. Then you might give it an example for burden of disease, okay? You might say gay people might experience higher levels of discrimination, okay, than people who aren't gay, and therefore that might contribute to violence and injuries, increasing the burden of disease for injuries. Okay, so making sure that you're hitting off on both parts of that question with specific examples. You can see here for a question that should be relatively straightforward, only 39% of the state was able to achieve 2 marks. So just make sure when you see health status in a question, you remember that you're referring back to things like maternal mortality, life expectancy, etc. And when you see burden of disease, okay, you're referring back to obviously that term, okay, but also if the question is worth more marks, you're referring back to things like DELIs and YLLs and YLDs. Okay, hopefully you found that video useful. As I mentioned, the Health Resources Hub YouTube channel is there, as well as the ACE HHD exam preparation sessions, our social media, and also our email. Thanks so much.